Hello, in this video I will show you how to resolve the problem with your Mamp localhost access after your operation system update to Catalina on MacBook Pro. Let's go. So you need to get your Mamp, of course, Mamp preferences, and all what you need to do is just get back to your default settings about your ports. So before I use these settings, but after my update operation systems, I discovered that it doesn't work anymore. So when I change ports, it worked. Amazing. Cool. So when you set that, and we of course use address localhost semicolon 8888, you will have access to our localhost finally. The other issue which you can meet is a problem with HTTPD access. So you need to go to Mac System Preferences, Security and Privacy. Go to your full disk access. Let's unlock. Okay. And all what you need to have at the list on the right side is HTTPD. Of course, you don't have it perhaps, so let's go to find it. Go to Finder, go to your disk. Okay. When you are here, you just need to click on your disk, find your USR folder, click on it, and in it, find as bin folder. And in this as bin folder, you will find HTTPD executable file. Okay, we have it. So what we need now is just to click on it and drag it here. If you see this green plus circle, it means it was sent. Put on it, close this one, check it. Okay, let's lock it. All is done. Good luck.